राधा स्वामी आगे दया करो दाता मेरे चित चरणन लागे। जन्म जन्म रही भूल में नहीं पाया भेदा, काल कर्म के जाल में रही भोगत खेला। जगत जीव भर मत फिरे नित चारो खानी, ज्ञानी जोगी पिल रहे सब मन की घाली। भाग जगा मेरा यादिका मिले सदगुरु आई, राधा स्वामी धाम का मही भेद जनाई। ऊंचा से ऊंचा देश है वह अधर ठिकानी, बिना संत पावे नहीं शुद्ध शब्द निशानी। राधा स्वामी नाम की मही महिमा सुनाई, मेरा अनुराग जगाय के घर पहुँचू भाई। साध संग कर सार रस मैंने पिया बखाई, प्रेम लगा गुरु चरण में मन शांतन आई। घर पर उठे वे कल रहूं कैसे पिया घर जाई, दर्शन रस नित नित लहू गहे मन धीरताई। सूरत चढ़े आकाश में कर शब्द विलासा, धाम धाम निरखत चले पावे निज घर वासा। ये आशा मेरे मन बसे रहे चित्त उदासा, बिना सुनो कृपा करो निज चरण निवासा। तुम बिना कोई समरथ नहीं जैसे मांगो दाना, प्रेम धार बरखा करो कुल अमृत खाना। दीन दयाल दया करो मेरे समरथ स्वामी, शुक्र करूँगा वत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। तुम बिना कोई समरथ नहीं जैसे मांगो दाना, प्रेम धार बरखा करो कुल अमृत खाना। दीन दयाल दया करो मेरे समरथ स्वामी, शुक्र करूँगा वत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। शुक्र करूँगा वत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। बार बार कर जोर कार सविनय करो पुकार, साध संग मही देव नित परम गुरु दातार। कृपा सिंधु समरथ पुरुष आदि अनादि अपार, राधा स्वामी परम पितु मैं तुम सदा आधार। बार बार बर जाऊं तन मन और चरण पार, क्या मुखले मैं गाऊं मेहर करी जस कृपा करो। धन्य धन्य गुरुदेव दया सिंधु पुरन धनी, नित करो तुम सेवा अचल भक्ति मही दे प्रभु। दीन अधीन अनाथ हाथ हाथ मयान करो, अब राखो नित साथ दीन दयाल कृपा निधि। काम क्रोध मद लोभ सब विधि अब गुण हार में, प्रभु राखो मेरी लाज तुम द्वारे अब मैं बड़ा। राधा स्वामी गुरु समर्थ तुम बिन और न दूसरा, अब करो दया पर तगश तुम द्वारे विलंब क्यों। दया करो मेरे साइया, देहो प्रेम की दार, दुख सुख कुछ व्यापी नहीं, छूटे सब उत्पात। दया करो मेरे साइया, देहो प्रेम की दार, दुख सुख कुछ व्यापी नहीं, छूटे सब उत्पात। बार बार कर जोर कार, सविनय कर पुकार, साधु संग महि देव नित, परम गुरु दातार। साधु संग महि देव नित, परम पिता। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर, गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानोदयन्तस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया, चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरजङ्गमव्याप्तं येन कृष्णं चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिद्रूपेण परिव्याप्तं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरुरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरुरधिकं तपः, तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथो श्री जगन्नाथो मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु, मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिनाथीश्वर गुरु परम दैवतं, गुरु परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमशुभदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं, दण्डातीतं गगनसदृशं दत्तमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्, एकं नित्यं गगनवचनं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं, भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि। सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि, सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि।
Time to meditate. Please maintain silence.
Reading from Holy Book Satyanusaran. Reading from Holy Book Satyanusaran, English translation. Wealthy, no harm, but be humble and charitable. If a rich man be proud, he becomes down with distress. A rich man, arrogant and proud, generally lacks faith, and doors of heaven do not open in his heart. A proud rich man is a slave to impurity, so he ignores wisdom. Swasti, swasti, swasti. Jai Guru.
Joy Guru everyone. Reading from Holy Book Nari Niti, English translation. Vow and observance. Do not give up vow and observance, rather understanding clearly why and how they are to be done, and what is the effect is of doing them. Follow and observe that which is your religion, that elevates life, glory, and becoming. Surely you will enjoy. Joy Guru.
Jai Guru everyone, I am very blessed to anchor today's satsang. I heartily welcome you all to the auspicious satsang, and I am very happy to announce that Manashima from India, the sister of our beloved Siddhartha Bhaiya, is going to tie a very strong knot on 1st December with Tapas Bhaiya. They both are present at today's satsang. So we all are wishing them a very happy married life, and we are all are praying at the lotus feet of Thakurji for the well-being of their married life and for their love, respect, and happiness together, and that will bring uh, the happiness to the family as well. Now I will request to uh, devote to offer a bhajan by Pritima from India.
Jai Guru.
Jai Guru Ma.
তোরা আয় 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 লবলুই যাই কোন মোহিনী নন্দন সেন বাঁশুরি বাজায় তোরা আয় 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 লবলুই যাই কোন মোহিনী নন্দন সেন বাঁশুরি বাজায় পদ্মা নদীর ধারে বকুল গাছের পরে বাঁশরি আর বাঁশের সুরে মনে কেড়ে নেয় পদ্মা নদীর ধারে বকুল গাছের পরে বাঁশরি আর বাঁশের সুরে মনে কেড়ে নেয় আয় 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 লবণ বয়ে যাই মনোমোহিনী নন্দন সেন বাঁশুরি বাজায় তোরা আয় 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 লবণ বয়ে যাই মনোমোহিনী নন্দন সেন বাঁশুরি বাজায় কাল নবমীর তিথিতে পাবনা জেলার মনমোহিনীর কোলেতে শিবের উদয় কাল নবমীর তিথিতে পাবনা জেলায় মনমোহিনী কোলেতে শিবের উদয় চাঁদের কণা ঝরা দুষ্টুমিতে ভরা চাঁদের কণা ঝরা দুষ্টুমিতে ভরা গোপাল গোবিন্দ সেন নাচিয়া বেড়ায় গোপাল গোবিন্দ সেন নাচিয়া বেড়ায় তোরা আয় 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 লবণ বয়ে যাই মনোমোহিনী নন্দন সেন বাঁশুরি বাজায় পাঠশালারি ঘরে পণ্ডিতে সুধায় একে একই যোগে দিলে বলো কত হয় পাঠশালারি ঘরে পণ্ডিতে সুধায় একই যোগে দিলে বলো কত হয় শাসনে না টলে হাসি মুখে বলে শাসনে না টলে হাসি মুখে বলে একই হয় দুই কবু নয় একই হয় দুই কবু নয় তোরা আয় লগ্ন হয়ে যাই বল মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় লীলা খেলার ছলে অনুকূল না জন্ম নিলেন নারায়ণ হিমায়িত ধাম লীলা খেলার ছলে অনুকূল না জন্ম নিলেন নারায়ণ হিমায়িত ধাম ওই গৃহ সন্ন্যাস করেন সংসারী ওই গৃহ সন্ন্যাস করেন সংসারী লক্ষ্মী দেবী নারায়ণী সংসার সাজায় লক্ষ্মী দেবী নারায়ণী সংসার সাজায় তোরা আয় লগ্ন হয়ে যাই বলো মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় তোরা আয় লগ্ন হয়ে যাই বলো মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় পদ্মা নদীর ধারে বকুল গাছের পরে বাঁশুরি আর বাঁশের সুরে মনে কেড়ে নেয় পদ্মা নদীর ধারে বকুল গাছের পরে বাঁশুরি আর বাঁশের সুরে মনে কেড়ে নেয় আয় লগ্ন হয়ে যাই বলো মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় তোরা আয় লগ্ন হয়ে যাই বলো মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় বলো মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় বলো মোহিনী নন্দন শ্যাম বাঁশরি বাজায় জয় গুরু
Joy Guru Ma, such a wonderful rhythmic and soulful bhajan. I think thanks will be a very small word for this bhajan. I pray at the lotus feet of Thakurji for the well-being of you and your family. Thakurji said, first impress him with whom you are angry. Invite him to eat in your own home. Send gifts and until you can speak to him with an open heart, pray with repentance for his good to God. For from hatred you will gradually become narrow, and narrowness is a sign. Such a powerful and true sentence. Let's take a vow that we will not be narrow any longer, and our heart will become broad and broad and broad enough to embrace anyone. Next, we will move to our beloved Shujama from Denmark. I will request Shujama to offer a devotional bhajan at the lotus feet of Thakurji.
जय गुरु सभी को जय गुरु दीना दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयाल मेरे प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे दीना दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयाल मेरे प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे मालिक शरण में तेरे तारन पीरन भी आए मालिक शरण में तेरे तार भक्ति निष्ठा बढ़ाओ, दीनहीन दास तेरा भक्ति निष्ठा बढ़ाओ। सतगुरु तुम महासमर्थ, सतगुरु तुम महासमर्थ, प्राणन शक्ति जगाओ। पूर्ण पुरुष दर्द प्राण मूर्ता धार मेरे, पूर्ण पुरुष दर्द प्राण मूर्ता धार मेरे। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयाल मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। पुरुषोत्तम जीवन नाथ परम प्रेमी शुभवर्षी, पुरुषोत्तम जीवन नाथ परम प्रेमी शुभवर्षी। शासन है विधि विधान, शासन है विधि विधान, परम दयाल समदर्शी। ईश्वर प्रतीक गुरु प्रीति मुखर प्राणाधार, ईश्वर प्रतीक गुरु प्रीति मुखर प्राणाधार। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयाल मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयाल मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे, परम आधार मेरे, परम आधार मेरे। जय गुरु।
Jai Guru Ma, such a wonderful devotional bhajan. I think we all went to a state where we can feel Ishta Sheva, Ishta Karam, Shatta Dharmadhar Mere. Thakurji said, serve as much as you are able to, but take care you have no desire to be served. দাও আর ফিরে নাহি চাও, থাকে যদি হৃদয় সম্বল। অনন্তের তুমি অধিকারী, প্রেম সিন্ধু হৃদে বিদ্যমান। দাও দাও, যে বা ফিরে চায় তার সিন্ধু বিন্দু হয়ে যায়। Thank you, Shujama. We pray at the lotus feet of Thakurji for you and your family's well-being. Now we will move to Germany to our beloved Rothida. I will request Rothida to offer another bhajan at the lotus feet of Thakurji.
Jai Guru everyone. तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक। कातर निवेदन है मेरा कब से, कातर निवेदन तुमसे, सादर निवेदन है मेरा कब से, सादर निवेदन तुमसे। कब से अखियां तरस रही मेरी, कब से अखियां तरस रही मेरी, प्रेमल दर्शन पाऊं। तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक। करुणा मैं तुम जीवन कारण, नाथ नारायण पालन धारण। करुणा मैं तुम जीवन कारण, नाथ नारायण पालन धारण। सारे जगत का तुमसे ही जाना, तेरा चरण ही मेरा ठिकाना। सारे जगत का तुमसे ही जाना, तेरा चरण ही मेरा ठिकाना। हो तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक। दिव्यालोकित उनका जीवन, हो जाते जो तुम पे समर्पण। दिव्यालोकित उनका जीवन, हो जाते जो तुम पे समर्पण। दीर्घ दिशा क्यों भटक रहा तू, दीर्घ दिशा क्यों भटक रहा तू, ईश्वर ही तेरा पथ है। दीर्घ दिशा क्यों भटक रहा तू, दीर्घ दिशा क्यों भटक रहा तू, ईश्वर ही तेरा पथ है। तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक। जीवन कारण मंगल करता, सब लोगों के वेदन हरता। जीवन कारण मंगल करता, सब लोगों के वेदन हरता। आस लगाए द्वार खड़ा मैं, कब से तेरे द्वार खड़ा मैं। आस लगाए द्वार खड़ा मैं, कब से तेरे द्वार खड़ा मैं। प्रियतम दर्शन तेरे, आस लगाए द्वार खड़ा मैं। प्रियतम दर्शन तेरे, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक। कातर निवेदन है मेरा कब से, कातर निवेदन तुमसे। सादर निवेदन है मेरा कब से, कातर निवेदन तुमसे। कब से अखियां तरस रही मेरी, कब से अखियां तरस रही मेरी, प्रेमल दर्शन पाऊं। तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक, तुम करुणा घन मालिक प्रभु, तुम करुणा घन मालिक। जय गुरु।
Jai Guru Rathida, it was a very beautiful bhajan, and I saw you were completely absorbed while singing the bhajan, and I think not only you, everybody here was completely absorbed with the bhajan, because you were very much able to spread the energy, the devotion. And I would like to say not only your voice, but with the rhythmic sound of the kartal, it was so nice. So it was very sweet to hear the bhajan from you. Jai Guru, Rothida.
Jai.
Thakurji said about friendship, and I find it is the true definition of friendship. Even if your friend be dishonest, do not give him up. Rather, give up his company if necessary. But with the affection in your heart, help him in his distress and danger, in thought, words, and deed, and embrace him when you find he has become repentant. If your friend has gone astray and you do not try to bring him back, or if you give him up, its punishment will not forsake you either. Do not spread scandal about your friend. Don't speak ill of him in any way, but also do not indulge him in any of his faults. Yeah, so that is what the friendship is, and I find it is very much missing in the real world. So maybe we will learn from this Bani, from Thakurji, how to become a true friend to each other. And now, after all these soulful devotional bhajans, maybe it's time to hear some energetic bhajan. Now I will request Durga Da to share his feelings about Thakurji. Durga Da.
Vande Purushottam. Jai Guru to all of Dadas and Mas joining in this e-satsang. I'm very grateful to offer my jajan today in this group, and so happy that you provide this opportunity. And I'm very quite new in this satsang and in this satsang group, and might not be I'm presenting very excellent jajan, but I will just share my feelings and the things happening around me after joining this satsang. Of course, there is a lot of curiosity and confusions and the feelings to know more about satsang was there in the beginning. When I was not following, I was just listening. Besides from my wife, I was not actually like very concentrating to the satsang, and I was feeling like it is a matter of a group, and it's not following truly the path where we should go forward. And slowly I was induced to be in this group, and actually I learned that satsang is to be good, how to be good, and to find the path ahead to be a successful person. Actually, like in satsang, like satsang for the true, and song is company. Like if you follow a true path, then you can go forward in a right way, and there will be like the achievements in your path. And for that achievements, or to guide to that path, to the right path, you need a true leader, or true like prophet, or it cannot be prophet, like a live guru, and that we can find in satsang, and like it is guiding us to go in the right direction. Like there are so many problems in the world. Like there are problems between husbands and wife, also with your friends, also your to your colleagues, also with your boss, also like, yeah, there is everywhere. Like if you go driving in the road, there are so many problems and hurdles, and Yes, of course, there is a rule of law, like how you want to forward. That rule has to be followed. And where is that rule? And how can you find that rule? Actually, we can find the way of life and thinking and to be good, good way to go forward. Like people are following in other way also. Yes, they can go in 1 point, 2 point, but in third point, like they can get problems. And we don't want to get in the problems. If we want smooth life, going forward, getting growth, being satisfied, then we have to be like, we have to follow a true and real life, and that we can find from the satsang. That I can, I have that feeling also. If my friend is good, if he is like following the right directions, if he wants to be good in his job, if he wants to be good with the friends in the society, then if I become the friend of that guy, then I'll also be a friend, because there will be the induction. That was also came in my life. In some point, like I have shared with this group, yes, actually, like in the beginning, I was not following God. That's true, because I was not believer, but some of my best friends were following the gods, and that was, they were very good. Also in the college, also like in if you say in student politics, if they go to the management, they can do good. Then I was also induced with the good things, and that induction has came to my life from satsang. And what happened after I take the diksha? Is there real changes in my life? That is a big question, and maybe the many people, many satsang are also asking these questions. Maybe some other people who are observing us, what he got after he has been taken diksha. That is a big question. If I lit a candle in the morning and in the evening, what I'm getting from that? That is also a big question. And for me, if I'm lighting candle and I'm doing stability and Namadhan, I'm getting something which is giving a direction, which is giving me like to be good. After stability, after Namadhan, I'm doing very good to raise my children. I'm giving good education. I'm at right time to the job and starting job very well and doing focusing, and I have like priorities in my job also, like what has to be done first, what is the most important, what is benefiting to the people, and after all I'm getting satisfaction and giving me peace. That is coming from my Namadhan and stability, and that is actually the real thing what I'm gaining from satsang. So it's really a good feelings and experience and good things happening to me. And when I do Namadhan, it's like a part of concentration. And if I do 1 minute, then I think like 100 things. And of course, I'm focusing to the real God, but also I'm like 1 minute, I'm thinking what I have done for me, what I'm achieving, what are my priorities, what I have to do the next. That is coming at that time. That means something has guided me to be focused, to do good, and to follow the rules of the life. And that is giving me some kind of success and satisfaction and peace. And that's happening all over life, within my family, with my friends, in my job, way to job, and everywhere. And that is giving me a kind of satisfaction and to be continued in satsang. And like I have another curiosity. What I have, like, what is being achieved to me, what I get, like the wealth, the material life I'm getting from, or I'm like, for example, if I'm earning like 10,000, am I getting 20,000 after that? It's not that we are calculating in that way when we are in satsang. We are calculating in another way, like we are guided to be good, to be efficient, to perform better, and that is being directed by our Supreme Lord, and we are achieving some kinds of satisfaction after that. And not only that, like, for example, we cannot solve very simple problems without some direction. I just want to give one example. My daughter just got one game to play home when she did good in the library quiz, and she got one prize, and we all together was going to find out how to play that game. We read the instruction. My daughter read in Danish, I read in English, and we try all mullet, all different things. We try to play like how we used to play the cards in Nepal or in India, but actually it was not like that. We didn't know. We tried everything. Our experience didn't work. Our knowledge didn't work. But we saw a YouTube video, and it so clearly, like, this should be something who shows us the way to play. After that, we learned so well, and we start to play very well, and we are entertaining on the game. Before it was like, oh, it was nothing. Why we get this as a prize? It happens like that. So, like having a guru or having a person who gives us a direction gives like a full satisfaction and peace in our life. That what I have learned from the satsang. So that is all that I wanted to share in this group. Thank you for your presence. Vande Purushottam. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru Durgada. It was very energetic, Jajan, and very nice to hear how your life has been enriched with satsang. But I don't know why at the beginning you said maybe it would not be an excellent Jajan, but it was super excellent. And yeah, one time Prashnata told me, like, he said to me that Jajan is always excellent one, because like it's about one's feelings, and it can't never be a non-excellent one. So it is about how you feel about Thakurji. And okay, after this energetic Jajan, now we will charge ourselves again with a chorus bhajan from Norway, from Siddhartha and his family. Jai Guru Dada.
हम लोग एक हिंदी कोरस प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
O more deva, 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 ये जग है ये जग है एक भ्रम की माया, ये जग है एक भ्रम की माया, निकल न पाते हम, सासों का बछवाड़ा जाना, सासों का बछवाड़ा जाना, जीवन का है अंत, सासों का बछवाड़ा जाना, जीवन का है अंत। करना मुझको स्वीकार हो, करना मुझको स्वीकार हो, तुम बिना ना कोई यहाँ। ओ मोरे देवा, 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 ओ मोरे देवा। सुना था मेरे दिल का कोना जो तू जलाए हम, सुना था मेरे दिल का कोना जो तू जलाए हम, बिता दिया जीवन को ऐसा, बिता दिया जीवन को ऐसा, चरणों में आए हम, बिता दिया जीवन को ऐसा, चरणों में आए हम। रखना तुम हमको संभाल हो, रखना तुम हमको संभाल हो, तुम बिना ना कोई आधार। ओ मोरे देवा, 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 ओ मोरे देवा। तो तुझे पुकारूं माफी देना ऐसी, एक एक सांसे तुझे पुकारूं माफी देना ऐसी, चरणों का प्रभु बन जाऊं, चरणों का प्रभु बन जाऊं, सुमति देना ऐसी, सुमति दिल बन जाऊं, सुमति देना ऐसी। कोई पार हो अंत मेरे कोई भी पार हो, तुम लाना कोई आधार। ओ मोरे देवा, 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 ओ मोरे देवा। मेरे हो तुम के बलिहार, मेरे हो तुम के बलिहार, तुम बिना ना कोई आधार। ओ मोरे देवा, 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 ओ मोरे देवा। जय
Jai Guru Siddhartha Philip Shama. It was such an energetic bhajan and with such a like music, it was really soulful to listen. Jai Guru. Now we'll move to USA to Ashish Uncle for a energetic kirtan.
রচনা পরমারাধ্য আচার্যদেব শ্রী শ্রী দাদা, সুর সংযোজনা পরম পূজ্যপাদ বাবাইদা। তোমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা, দয়া
তোমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা,
মোদের জীবন হতে ভয়ে পালাবে, কাটবে সকল বেদনা, মোদের পরম সাধনা, মোদের জীবন হতে
ভয় পালাবে, কাটবে সকল বেদনা, মনের পরম সাধনা,
দয়া আমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা,
দয়াল তোমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা,
দয়াল তুমি ছড়া কে আর কবে শান্তি স্বস্তি বিলায় ভাবে,
তুমি ছাড়া কে আর পাবে শান্তি স্বস্তি বিলায় ভাবে,
তুমি ছাড়া কে আর কবে শান্তি স্বস্তি বিলায় ভাবে,
তুমি ছাড়া কে আর পাবে শান্তি স্বস্তি বিলায় ভাবে,
ভালোবাসা ভালোবাসার পুণ্য হবে, ভালোবাসার পুণ্য হবে, জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা, ভালোবাসার
পুণ্য হবে, জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা,
এই জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা,
জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা,
এই ভালোবাসার পূর্ণ হবে, জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা,
ভালোবাসায় পূর্ণ হবে, জাগবে
জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা,
জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা,
এই ভালোবাসার পূর্ণ হবে, জাগবে প্রাণের বোধনা, মোদের পরম সাধনা, দয়া
তোমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা,
দয়াল মুহুদের মতো আতুর জনে অযোগ্য সব দীনহীনে,
মোদের মতো আতুর জানে অযোগ্য সব দীনহীনে,
মোদের মতো আতুর জনে অযোগ্য সব দীনহীনে
মোদের মতো আতুর জনে অযোগ্য সব দীনহীনে
সকল জনায় কাছে টেনে সকল জনায় কাছে টেনে দাও গো শিষ্ট বোধনা সকল জনায় কাছে টেনে দাও গো শিষ্ট বোধনা তুমি দাও গো শিষ্ট বোধনা তুমি দাও গো শিষ্ট
বোধনা
তুমি সকল জনায় কাছে টেনে সকল জনায় কাছে টেনে দাও গো শিষ্ট বোধনা তুমি দাও গো শিষ্ট বোধনা তুমি দাও গো শিষ্ট বোধনা মোদের পরম সাধনা দয়া
তোমার সেবায় হয় গো যদি মনের পরম সাধনা
মোদের জীবন হতে ভয় পালাবে কাটবে সকল বেদনা মোদের পরম সাধনা দয়াল
তোমার সেবায় হয় গো যদি মনের পরম সাধনা
প্রিয় পরম দয়াল তুমি ওগো প্রভু জগৎ স্বামী প্রিয় পরম
দয়াল তুমি ওগো প্রভু জগৎ স্বামী
প্রিয় পরম দয়াল তুমি ওগো প্রভু জগৎ স্বামী
প্রিয় পরম দয়াল তুমি ওগো প্রভু জগৎ স্বামী
পায়ে পড়ি তোমার পায়ে পড়ি জানাই আমি পায়ে পড়ি জানাই আমি পায়ে পড়ি দয়াল আমার প্রাণের ঠাকুর আমার পায়ে পড়ি জানাই আমি পায়ে পড়ি জানাই আমি কিয়াতে দাও সম্বেদনা পায়ে পড়ি জানাই আমি কিয়াতে দাও সম্বেদনা কিয়াতে দাও সম্বেদনা
হিয়াতে 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 দাও সম্বেদনা
পায়ে পড়ি জানাই আমি হিয়াতে দাও সম্বেদনা
ওরে জানাই আমি হিয়াতে দাও সম্বেদনা
মোদের পরম সাধনা দয়া
তোমার সেবায় হয় গো যদি মনের পরম সাধনা
ওগো তোমার রাতুল চরণ ধরে মায়ার সাগর যাব তোরে
তোমার নাদুল চরণ ধরে মায়ার সাগর যাব তোরে
তোমার রাতুল চরণ ধরে মায়ার সাগর যাব তোরে
তোমার নাদুল চরণ ধরে মায়ার সাগর যাব তোরে
তুমি নাও গো সবাই যোগ্য করে নাও গো সবাই
যোগ্য করে
এই জাগাও পরম চেতনা নাও গো সবাই
যোগ্য করে জাগো পরম চেতনা
তুমি জাগাও পরম চেতনা তুমি জাগাও
পরম চেতনা
এ তুমি নাও গো সবাই যোগ্য করে নাও গো সবাই যোগ্য করে জাগা পরম চেতনা তুমি জাগা পরম চেতনা তুমি জাগা পরম চেতনা মোদের পরম সাধনা দয়া তোমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা মোদের জীবন হতে ভয় পালাবে জীবন হতে ভয় পালাবে কাটবে সকল বেদনা মোদের পরম সাধনা দয়া তোমার সেবাই হয় গো যদি মোদের পরম সাধনা
Joy Guru Ashish Uncle. I am completely speechless. Like, I don't know what to say because I am still in another state. Like, not only your devotion, your voice has such a depthness that it can bring anyone to another state where they can feel Thakurji. So you and Madhumita Ma was absolutely awesome. But we didn't see actually Madhumita Ma, so maybe you'd like to see her if possible. So Jai Guru Ma, it was absolutely nice, and whenever it comes to you, আমি কান পেতে রই, like it literally.
না, well, I'm blessed যে আজকে আমি জয়েন করতে পেরেছি এবং আমার 2 cents দিতে পেরেছি।
No, it was very nice, very, very nice. Jai Guru.
জয় গুরু।
After this energetic kirtan, we will move to another jajan by our beloved Ashista from Netherlands.
जय गुरु।
Jai Guru Dad.
परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम आराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री बड़मा के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्यपाद श्री श्री बड़दा के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्यपाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री राधा के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्यपाद श्री श्री बबैदा के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। और समस्त गुरु परिवार के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। यहाँ उपस्थित सभी ऋत्विकगण, गुरु भाई, गुरु माँ और बच्चों को मेरा आंतरिक जय गुरु। ठाकुर जी की कृपा से और उनके असीम दया से कुछ हफ्ते पहले मुझे और राधा कृष्ण दा को दुर्गापुर में जाके गुरुजनों के दर्शन करने का अवसर मिला। उनके प्रेम को अनुभव करने का मौका मिला और उनसे बहुत सारी कुछ बातें सीखने का और अलग अलग अनुभूतियां मिली, और वही आज मैं यहाँ पे आप सभी के साथ शेयर करने की एक कोशिश करता हूँ। उस दरमियान जब हम दुर्गापुर में थे, 2-3 दिन जब दुर्गापुर में रहे थे, तभी गुरुजनों से हमें एक डायरेक्ट आई वुड से कि एक डायरेक्शन या गाइडेंस मिला, जो न केवल मेरे लिए या राधा कृष्ण दा के लिए था, पर बल्कि सभी उपस्थित यूरोप में और वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में रहने वाले गुरु भाइयों के लिए या गुरु माँ के लिए था, कि हम लोग को ठाकुर जी को लेके कैसे आगे चलना है, कैसे आगे बढ़ना है। इसके बारे में क्लियर कट इंस्ट्रक्शंस आई वुड से कि जो मिले, और जो आज यहाँ पे मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने की कोशिश करूंगा। और मैं राधा दादा को भी कहूंगा कि अनुरोध करूंगा कि अगर कहीं पे उनको लगे कि कुछ ऐड करना है तो अनम्यूट करके प्लीज ऐड कर दीजिए, क्योंकि दिस इज फॉर एवरीवन ऑफ अस एंड everyone of us in order to take Thakurji ahead, not only in our life, but also spread his message over here in this Europe and Western world. But before going on to that particular journey and sharing those experiences, I would like to just take a pause and go a step behind in order to tell you that how I happened to be in Durgapur along with Radha Krishnada 3 or 4 weeks back. So on 22nd of August 2021 in Oslo, I took Swasthaini from Ramda, and after taking Swasthaini, we came back here in Arnhem. Radha Krishnada went back to Amsterdam, and at that time we used to walk in the evening and then monitor that walking on Strava app. So one day while walking, means I do 2 things when I am walking. One is that I listen to music, or when I am not listening to music, I just do Nam Dhyan. And I keep on chanting Naam and then walk at the same time. So one day when I was walking in the evening, a thought came to my mind that Pujaniya Sipaida is asking Radha Krishnada that why Ashish is not coming, and he is telling him that Ashish should also come with you, or try to see that he comes with you. That thought came into my mind, and then I just thought that it's just a passing thought, and I left it over there and I went home. I did not discuss it with anyone, not with Sudhriti or anyone else. And I was just doing my normal activities, did the prayer. And then while on the same day at night around 10:20, Radha Krishnada called me up. And then we had the normal discussion, because at that time he was joining PwC, or it was just the first week of him joining PwC. So we had all our discussions. And then he mentioned to me that Ramda and Radhada have sought the blessings of going to Devghar on Param Pujyapad Acharya Dev's Janmatithi, and they are going to inform this to a few other Guru Bhais also in the Europe, and if anyone is interested, he or she might also join them while going to Devghar. On that particular day, he asked me that whether you would be interested in joining us to go to Devghar. So when this was asked by Radha Krishnada to me, from my heart, I was 100% ready that I'm going to go to Devghar, no matter what it comes. But from my brain, 99.99%, I thought that yes, I'm going to go. But for 0.01%, I need to ask my bosses. So the 2 bosses, one at home and one at office. So the next day, I immediately after that call was over, I went to Sudhriti and told her that this is what has happened and I want to go to Devghar. From my heart, I feel that I should go over there. So she immediately and readily told that yes, you can go over there. I will stay alone with the kids over here, because managing kids 3 weeks when I'm not there, it's a big difficult task in this Western world. But as I am going to go to Devghar, she readily agreed and told yes. The next day I spoke with my boss in office as well, and he also readily agreed. And then it was decided that along with Radhakrishna and Ramda, I would go to Devghar on Param Pujyapad Acharya Dev Shri Shri Dada's Janmatithi. But at the same time, it was a clear message to all of us from Pujniya Sipayada as well, that if at that time the wave 3 was going to come, so if any such kind of occurrences occur, then probably we should also be ready to cancel our trip. And with that in mind, there were no expectations that whether we will be going, whether we will not be going. There were no expectations of whether if we also happen to go over there, whether we will be able to meet anyone or not. No such things was there in mind. Only it was decided that we are going to go, and that was all. Then we all know that Param Pujyapad Acharya Dev Shri Shri Dada is currently in Durgapur Hospital. So when our flight dates were coming near, again we got the permission that yes, we could go and visit them in Durgapur. And with all those permissions and approvals, we then decided to go over to Durgapur. Now going to Durgapur also, the same thought was in our mind that we have to just go over there and then feel all the things as it is. Means there was no expectation that we'll be able to meet Gurujan, we will be able to see them, or we will be able to interact with them or speak with them. Nothing was there. Just as we had planned, we went to Durgapur. Now, earlier I had been to Devghar almost 7 or 8 years back, but after that I have not been over there in Devghar. So I have not met them anyone personally. But with Radhakrishna Da being with me, I could go in Durgapur and meet all of them. So the day when we met Pujniya Sipayada, the first interaction which came up was with regards to Swasthayani. So he clearly guided us. And before going into that, I just want to also mention one particular thing over here, that all the time, Pujniya Sipayada was inquiring about us. Means he had a lot of concerns. He had a lot of things to do, not only to manage the difficult circumstances over there in hospital, or might be with regards to a different place, because it was not Devghar, it was Durgapur. So all the other things were there behind it. But still he was very much concerned about us, whether we are eating or not, whether we have got the food or not, whether all the arrangements are okay or not. So that kind of concern and affection was there with from him towards both of us. And then when we met him for the first time, when we were having, we offered our pranam to him. And after that, the first topic which came for discussion was the Swasthayani. And the beautiful message what Pujniya Sipayada told us over there is that once you take the Diksha, imagine yourself that you are diving into a water, into a sea. Once you dive into the sea, you don't know where is the seabed. You might go half in the water, or you might be at the top itself, but you don't know where the seabed is. Likewise, taking Swasthayani is reaching to that seabed. And we should not consider that by taking Swasthayani, it is not just related to food habits, that eating or giving up food habits. It is just more than that. And what it is, if we just try to break this word Swasthayani into 3 parts, Su Astayani, it means that Su means good, Asta means existence, and Ayani means tricks. So it is the good tricks which are given by Thakurji himself for all of us in order to enrich our own existence. And that is something what I would also suggest over here, that everyone who had taken up the Diksha and who are following Thakurji and following his principles, probably it's the time that they should also think of taking a step ahead and completing the entire process of by taking the Swasthayani. After that, we also, whenever we met Gurujans, Pujniya Sipayada, Pujniya Venkida, everyone was inquiring about us, that how we are doing the prayer over here in Europe, how we are trying to interact with each other. With all minute details, they tried to ask us whether we are doing book reading. If we are doing book reading, then what books we are reading? When we are reading the books, then which languages we are reading? Till that particular extent, they were trying to understand that how we are following Thakurji over here, and at the same time they were enriching their confidence that yes, this is the way how we should go ahead. So I would also like to request everyone who might be joining or not joining prayer in the morning or evening, they should take some time of their daily course every once in a week or however it is possible to them, and they should join the prayer. It's not only for any benefit or as such, but it's something what we should follow, and what is Gurujans are also expecting from us to go ahead in the path of Thakurji's learnings and the teachings, whatever are there. One more point which also came during all these points was that we should all read books. It was emphasized by everyone, by all the Gurujans, that we should keep on reading different books and then trying to follow them as a practice in our daily life. And the best thing what was being mentioned and what we have already done, but we should also try to keep on repeating, is that the two things which are very important is Satyanusaran and then Prasanga Satyanusaran. We have done that reading some time back in our morning prayers, and that is something what probably every one of us should continue, that they should read Satyanusaran, but at the same time they should also read Prasanga Satyanusaran, which is which is the explanation given by Sri Sri Bodda with regards to different verses in Satyanusaran. During all this time, we also got an opportunity to get the darshan of Pujniya Babaida. So it was a moment where myself and Radhada both were in a room, and Pujniya Babaida was sitting over there in front of us, I guess around 20 feet or 25 feet apart from us. And almost for 15 minutes, he was trying to explain or give the instructions to us. And those instructions, again, as I mentioned, it was not for me or Radhada, but everyone in Europe. So before I go on to that instructions, I would say that it was my first meeting as such with Pujniya Babaida, and I was sitting in front of him, and the depth in his eyes, I could really, it was touching my heart. And when both of us came out of that particular room, both of us felt that Pujniya Babaida was speaking directly with me or with Radhada. So my feeling was that he was speaking directly facing towards me and speaking with me alone, while Radhada had the same feeling itself. And it was really means the humbleness at the same, means he was very much humble, but at the same time it was a glorifying figure as such, which we could observe and which we could experience by sitting in front of him and trying to listen to what he was giving the directions and the instructions to us. So the three main things what Pujniya Babaida told to us was that in Europe or in the Western world where we are living, over here, when we are trying to interact with the people, when we are trying to explain the philosophy of Thakurji to them, doing a social gathering will not help, because everyone over here is individual. Means he has got an individualistic approach or a life, the way of living. So probably what we need to do is that we need to approach them individually and then try to connect with them, try to understand what their feelings are or how they are made up, and then probably we should go ahead and then preach about Thakurji or explain them about the philosophy, learnings of Thakurji, what they can also practice in their life. But the key is that we need to approach them individually, connect with them individually. So that was one important message which was there for all of us. The other message what we received or we could understand over there was that this particular organization, the Satsang organization, is not led by a, means every time when going backwards, I used to always say that when pandemic started, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar came and then he started the guided meditations. when Sadhguru came, and then he also started speaking or interacting with people, trying to give the messages and so on. So I used to always ask Sudhriti that over here, I don't see anyone who is coming and trying to explain to us, or no one from the Gurujan family is coming and trying to speak with us or something of that sort. So that was my stage some 1.5 years back when the pandemic started. Then as we joined, as I started getting involved in the entire process in satsang, I thought that yes, by just joining satsang, by experiencing this, experiencing the different feelings from different people, being part of this particular thing is helping me to overcome my emotions. It is helping me to console myself. So probably whatever is needed by a particular figure explaining it to us, I'm getting by just joining this particular forum as such. So, but still that thought was there, that why not no one is coming in front of us and then trying to interact with us. So Pujya Babeda, on that particular day when we were sitting in front of him, he said that this is an organization which is not led by a charismatic figure. PM Modi might come or anyone might come, he might use the word of Thakurji, but then he's not the ardent follower of Thakurji. Who is the ardent follower of Thakurji? It's you and me. These were his words. So he considered himself as a common person through whom this particular work is going on. And at the same time, he's expecting us as a common person to grow to his level, probably, which I don't know means when it will happen, but to grow to his level and then try to spread the message of Thakurji with everyone who comes in contact with us. So that was something which struck to me a very lot, that, and also gave me an answer what I was thinking, say 1 or 1.5 years back, that it's all of us, the responsibility is on all of us, not only Ramda or Radhada or Ashish or anyone, it's on all of us, that through us, we try to spread the message of Thakurji with everyone. And that is something which really touched both of us at that particular time. So these were all, yeah. And he also emphasized on reading different books and then spreading the message of Thakurji. And one more thing, what he mentioned to us was that when we are living in this Western world, we are living here because of our brain power. So there is something in us because of which we are over here in Europe or in anywhere in the Western world. And when we are living over here and because of which we are over here, we should at least devote some part of our time in doing Thakur's work. And that part should be totally different. It should not be that today I'm doing it, tomorrow I'm not doing it, or something of that sort. One part of our own time in 24 hours, we should give for Thakurji. Maybe by reading his books, maybe by spreading his word, anything. But then that should be a dedicated and devoted time, which we should keep apart from all our daily course and daily activities, what we are doing. So these were the profound and messages what we could experience and understand during all our stay. And during this time, we also got interacted with Mecho Bodhima and also Pujniya Bercho Bodhima and Pujniya Bad Bodhima. So from all these interactions, what was the core message was that in all our actions, we should keep Thakur as Pratham. And that I could sense from everyone, means no matter whoever was there from Gurujan whom we experience, keeping Thakur is Pratham is the one thing what they all do. And also keeping Acharya Dev in Pratham. So both of them we should keep as our ideal, keep them in Pratham position before we think or do or act any of those things. Also, I would say I was lucky enough, but I got an opportunity to the 2 jajans what I had done previously in Europe Satsang. I could also, when Pujya Sipaida asked Radhada that asked what are his experiences, that is my experiences. I also means in the same way in which how I would have delivered the Jajan in Europe Satsang, in the same way I was trying to tell my experiences or to Pujnya Sipaida in front of him. And I was always trying to measure myself that whether I'm speaking much or whether I'm speaking, means how I'm speaking and whether he's interested in understanding. But then I opened my all heart out, and whatever was my feelings from day one until now, I tried to share it with him. And on that, right from how I took the Swasthayani and everything, how much I was in doing it, following it earlier, and how I started following it afterwards. So then after hearing to all that, then he asked Sanjeev Mandalda to also speak with me with regards to sharing those experiences. And the one profound message in that was that the more you love Thakurji, the more experiences you will get. And that is not, that is what Pujnya Shri Shri Barda, Pujnya Acharya Dev Shri Shri Dada, Pujnya Babaida, everyone is doing and has been doing since so many years. So the one thing, the simple thing what we all need to do is that love Thakurji, keep him in as Pratham in front of us. And the more we love, the more experiences we will get. So before concluding, I would also like to point out one particular thing which I felt was that Thakurji has said that Prophet is as strong as his followers. And we all need to understand that all our Gurujans are also, even they are godly figures, but still they are in the human form. So we should always respect to them. They might and the situations which might be around them. There might be situations wherein they might means, because as they are human figures, they also might have some pain, physical, emotional, everything. So we should also, always be means we should understand that, and we should always keep it in our emotions, and also keep stay strong with them. So like we do whenever we think of something, we do a nivedan to the Gurujan. But at the same time, during all such hard times, we also need to understand that what we need, means how strong we could be with them. And probably then I would say that not bother them or bug them with the different things in such kind of situations. But at the same time, be strong with them and be with them emotionally wherever you are. And that is what will help in order to go ahead. So with this, if Radhada, you want to add anything, you can add, or else I. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru Ashish, I have no words. The message or the jajan that whatever you are doing today, I could read it from your face, from your eyes. I have no words. I don't want to speak in this middle of the satsang, but there was one more thing that I want to hear from you or Radha. When Radha, you said Pujnya Babaida, I couldn't bring anything for you. And that matter is very important.
Sorry. Jai Guru, everyone. So actually, for me, what happened, as Ashish said, we felt like we both are getting equal, not equal, the sole attention of Pujnya Babaida towards us. When we came out, then only we could express that. When we were listening, I couldn't even feel that Ashish was there. That was the profound effect. Many of us, you would have felt that when we are in front of Gurujan. So Pujnya Babaida explained everything as if he was reading our mind, the whole journey, whole quest, that how we should do Thakur's work in Europe. How we should, we are all born and brought up in India. We are not from here, but we have the earnest urge to establish our love Lord here. How we can do. And he read that and explained everything. All the salient points Ashish mentioned, maybe he remembers. I almost forgot, because looking at him itself gives you a kind of feeling that you forgot everything. So for me, that kind of thing happened, but it was the core message. At the end, I came to senses and I saw, because of our normal norm that we offer pranam and give pranami, some sort of love offering. And because that situation was not that, and we were strictly instructed not to do pranami if you are in the hospital environment, we didn't bring any. But out of my self thing, which was killing me inside, that how could you leave Punya Baba without offering a pranami? I said, at least offer your you say that you are incapable, that you couldn't bring anything. Then I almost impromptu said that, Dada, I couldn't bring anything and I could not offer you anything. Then these words came out of his divine mouth, that you came in these hard times physically and stood by our side. This means a lot to us. This is the level of respect. And I was not there alone. Maybe physically me and Ashish Da were there, but we were bringing all of us there. Each one of your emotions were there. You all knew how we went there, how our journey was. So it was not that he was speaking to me or Ashish Da, he was speaking to all of us. And that's why we thought of sharing it today here, that they love us so much. They have so high expectations, and they are also pushing themselves every day to establish Thakur. We have this responsibility. So let's come together again with new urge, new vibes, how we can establish. Bring in your ideas, share with us. Let's love Thakur more. Jai Guru.
Absolutely. Jai Guru. Back to Smita Ma.
Jai Guru Ashish Da, it was so nice, and especially I think it's very inspirational, or kind of for a chance to meet Pujaniya Babaida by in a physical contact. So yeah, it was very, very nice. So maybe it really give me the vibe. So Jai Guru, and I think this is we came almost at the end of the satsang today. Now is the time of Joy Radhe.
Jai Guru. Bande Purushottamam.
Tapanda Joy Radhe ho.
Jai Radhe Radhe, Krishna Krishna, Govinda Govinda Malore. 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 Radhe Govinda 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 bole sada ডাকরে রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি হরি ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি 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 নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অরমানামে করো রে নেশা ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অরমানামে করো রে নেশা রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লইয়ে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি হরি ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি 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 বল 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 হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম রাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে হরি রাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অজপানানি করো রে রেশা ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অজপানানি করো রে রেশা রাধা বল 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 রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परमाराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री बड़मा की परमाराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री बड़मा की परमाराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री बड़मा की परम पूज्य पाद श्री श्री बड़दा की परम पूज्य पाद श्री श्री बड़दा की परम पूज्य पाद श्री श्री बड़दा की परम पूज्य पाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की परम पूज्य पाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की परम पूज्य पाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की सत्संग की सत्संग की सत्संग की वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
वंदे आर्य पितृं वंदे मातृवर्गान् वंदे अहं कृष्ण दैवतं वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की